Hey everybody, gonna do an open boxing today of the Razor HD Spotting Scope by Vortex. Go. Come on. Suspense is killing me. Come on now. There we go. All right. Have a padded case. Let's see what's inside here. There's a strap for this, and then it opens up all the way. Put the end in here. I guess leave it open. I don't know. Shoulder strap. Oh yeah, so you could leave it on here. So this has a zipper on the bottom, so that way you could leave it in the case when it's on the tripod. Maybe that's kind of cool. Lens cleaner. Instructions. Piece of foam. Oh goodness. But it's in tight. Where's the... This is the 20 to 40 by 85. Is that right? What does it say? 20 to 60 by 85. And then the eyepiece. This lens covers has a thread, or the lens cover here also. Box is empty. I'm excited to get one of these. This will be cool. So you'll be excited to learn that I'm going to use this. I have that Glock 17 I need to sight in, so I'll be able to see right up on that 25-yard zero for that pistol. All right, well, oh, I will also do the Mountain Pass mount. Ugh. Just got a haircut, got a hair. Let's see. Box is empty. Have a bag for the tripod. the instructions. Open these up and out comes the legs to extend it. Nice. This is the aluminum one. There was one that was quite a bit more that had carbon fiber legs, but for my use, playing in the basement, the occasional range trip to sight in my red dot on like a pistol, this is going to be more than enough. Has this little snap thing here to let me open her up. Oh, buddy. So, I wonder if there's a way for it to kind of splay the legs out more. Seems like there's no, I guess not. Hits into that bumper. That is a sturdy tripod. 22-pound max load. Perfect for binoculars and spotting scopes. Imagine that. 4 leg sections, collapse small for ultimate packability, aluminum leg construction, excellent balance and packability and durability. Arca Swiss head mount, compatible across a broad range of mounting options. Nice. I'm excited.